Let's learn how to balance a chemical equation between sulfuric acid and aluminum hydroxide. Here's our initial unbalanced equation. Let's balance this equation step by step. First, let's look at aluminum. We have one aluminum atom on the left side in aluminum hydroxide, but two aluminum atoms on the right side in aluminum sulfate. To balance this, we need to add a coefficient of 2 in front of aluminum hydroxide. Next, let's balance the sulfate groups. We have one sulfate on the left side in sulfuric acid, but 3 sulfates on the right side in aluminum sulfate. To balance this, we need to add a coefficient of 3 in front of sulfuric acid. Finally, let's balance hydrogen and oxygen. On the left side, we have 6 hydrogens from sulfuric acid and 6 more from aluminum hydroxide, giving us 12 hydrogens total. To balance this, we need 6 water molecules on the right side. Let's verify that our equation is balanced. We have 2 aluminum atoms on each side. We have 3 sulfur atoms on each side. We have 12 hydrogen atoms on each side. And we have 12 oxygen atoms on each side. Therefore, our equation is perfectly balanced. And that's how we balance this chemical equation step by step. Remember to always check that the number of atoms of each element is equal on both sides of the equation.